Okay, happy Family Day, everyone. Tinkercad is what we use to make our 3D designs. And so for the Flash Day rocket, whatever you want to call it, I made a satellite rocket on Tinkercad, which is what we use to make our designs. If I didn't just say that, whatever. But my daddy changed it, made it longer, and all that stuff, and I have no idea what it's called. So, I forget what it's called, so I'll make sure to let you know. But also, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. But also, on Thingiverse, look that up, thingiverse.com. Look that up and search in Rocket Kid. Or is it Rocket K1D? Rocket K1D. Okay, and that, I believe, is where I'm going to be posting all my stuff. Okay? But make sure you search up Rocket K1D on Thingiverse. Not search that app up. Okay, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. I hope you enjoyed. So now we have it set up and we're gonna launch it. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is the rocket still intact?
Where's the rocket? What?
I'll show you.
Where's the rocket?
Sit on the bench. Just sit on the bench.
You can let her off her leash. Careful, Matthew. Careful.
Where's the rocket?
What happened?
This is all that's left.
No way. It burnt away? Let me see. It split in half. Wow. Well, hey, we learn. The next one will make stronger.
But also, it burnt the parachute. The parachute came out just as it hit the ground.
Yeah, so it was probably burning while it was in the ground. All right.
I just see all the ashes.
Well, what happened?
Okay, we launched the rocket. It kind of swirled like the last one. It went all the way down, like much further than that. And then I couldn't find it. I only found this, half of the rocket.
So, what do we do now?
Bury it.
No. What do we do with the next one?
Make it better.
Make it stronger?
Yep.
All right.